Hi, good day to you, sir, madam. My name is Carol San Vicente, Filipino. My religion is Roman Catholic. I have two children. I have a college undergraduate. I worked before as a domestic helper in Philippines. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, cooking and marketing, washing and ironing. I can cook Filipino foods, but I am willing to learn how to cook Chinese food and how to speak Cantonese language. I love taking care of children. I can give food on time. I can take them about every day. And I can give the vitamins and medicines prescribed by the doctors. Sir, madam, please hire me because I want to support my children, and I will promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities, and I promise that I will follow the rules and regulation and I finish my 2 years contract. Thank you.